Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you this awesome fall look. So first off, I'm starting off by prepping my lids with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. I love this primer so much. I've been using it forever. It's my go-to. And I also already did my brows. I used the Kybrow pomade in dark brown. So for shadows today, I am picking up the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. I think this is such a beautiful fall toned palette. I'm just going to pick up the colors Rush and Alert and pop those in my crease. And sticking with that same palette, I am picking up the shade Mugshot and just popping that in my crease as well. Next palette I'm going to be picking up is going to be the Norvina Volume 1 palette, and I am picking up the shade C5, and I'm just going to pop that on my outer V. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer from Jordana in the shade Ivory and just cut my crease. And to set that concealer, I am picking up my Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder in the shade 120. Now I'm going to pick up my Kylie Jenner Eye of the Storm palette and use the shade Lightning. And then I'm going to go back with those oranges that we used in our crease and also from the Norvina palette and just blend those together. Decided this look needed a little bit of sparkle, so I'm picking up my Natasha Denona Gold palette and just picking up the shade Cava and putting that on my lid. For foundation today, I am using the Fit Me Matte and Poreless 125, and for concealer, I'm going to go in with my Cover FX Power Play Concealer in the shade Light 2. Blending all of that out with my Real Techniques sponge. To set my face, I'm going in with the Fit Me Set and Smooth Pressed Powder in the shade 220. Lately, I've been loving gold liner in the waterline. So this one is from Rimmel London. It's just their Hypnotic Gold Eye Liner. For lashes today, I'm picking up my Ardell 113s and using the Duo Lash Glue and just sticking those bad boys on. Blush today, I am using a combination of two. I am picking up the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush in the shade Feisty and also the Angel's Eyes Cosmetics Blush in Truth. Bronzer and contour today, I'm going in with Bahama Mama from The Balm, the Fenty Beauty Caramel Cutie, and also the Kat Von D Shade and Light contour in the shade Suede. So on to my favorite part, which is going to be lips. I am picking up the Kylie Cosmetics Brown Sugar Lip Liner and just lining my lips. And for lipstick today, I'm going in with the MAC Cosmetics Spirit Satin Lipstick. To lighten that just a little more, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade Naked. I'm just going to blend that out with my finger. To define my lips a little more, I'm going back in with that brown sugar lip liner. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave your comments down below. Let's chat and let me know what you want to see. Awesome. Have a great day, guys. Bye.